reporting for duty.
Grr? What does the G stand for?
I don't know.
Is it supposed to be stupid?
Nope. Okay. Don't worry. It's just a game. Games can't hurt us. Okay, we're dead!
A great little actress.
Yep, and getting smaller all the time.
Okay, step forward. Okay, look out for the monkey. Got it. Okay, how am I doing? Okay, monkey, got it. Okay. Okay, look out for the other monkey. Okay. Okay, got it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay.
Alright, leg, teach me how to run fast. Nej, jag har ingen aning vad det här är. Nej, fan helvete!
Gentlemen, here you all are. What are you doing? The guests are waiting for...
Thinking of you and the way you look tonight.
So, what do you think?
Gotta believe me, Mandy. The clowns are nothing but ultimate evil. They want to be the dominant species on the planet, and they'll destroy us all to make it happen. Destroy us all! 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 Destroy us all!
All is strange and vague.
Are we dead?
Or is this Ohio?
Thank you! The truth finally comes out!
Behind this curtain to undress.
Doesn't matter to me.
We're not shy. Who needs a curtain?
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Prepare yourself, meets Cooney.
Princess Konako tends to change her favorites on a regular basis.
That's right, because before she chose you, she was with Tama-chan.
Oh, so he's upset because I took her from him?
Shut up!